All right, this is the new Kobalt 24-volt compact trim router using their 24-volt battery system. It has the soft start, which will be hopefully a nice feature to have. Figured I'd do a quick unboxing, another little no-effort unboxing video, but let's see what's inside. You can see I got it mailed through their website. There's some damage to the box, but hopefully it's okay. You can see the product number is 1439333 if you're interested in it. Go to Lowe's website and you can find it there. I haven't found them in my local store yet, but I was able to order it online. It's a brand new tool from Kobalt brand, which I'm excited about. So let's do a quick unboxing. Instruction manual. Okay. I have the tool, I guess, for locking the collets, and then of course a dust guard and dust collector here. Some more thumb screws and washers and things. Figure out what those go to later. The router there, and then lastly the edge guide here. All right, you can see there it is. That's basically everything right there. You can see the battery goes up top. Let's throw a battery on real quick. Okay, so this is with a 4 amp hour Kobalt battery. They're normal ones, not the new XTR battery. It's definitely a lot of weight on top, but it's not, I don't know. I guess sliding around is not too bad. Of course, you know, it's got the 1/4 inch collet for 1/4 inch bits. I went ahead and picked up a Skill 30-piece router bit set from Lowe's while I was there. They were half off at the time. I figured that's probably just cheap ones, but this is my first router, so give it a shot, see what I like, what I want to use, and then start upgrading to nicer bits. But yeah, I'm gonna throw one on and test it out. Okay, before I put on a router bit, I will show you how to assemble the rest of the router. First, you put on the dust shield. Fits in like this, right onto there, and then there's the smaller thumb screw here. Goes in there, line up the hole, turn it in. Of course, you see no batteries on. Keep the battery off while you're working on the tool itself. And then lastly, this is the shoe here for the edge guide, which you can turn that to unlock that, lock it in place. Let's go ahead and put the washers on the thumb screw. All right, and then we can go ahead and put the thumb screw for the shoe for this guy right here. You can line this up. There's a little guide here. These don't really seem to do much, at least as far as I can tell. Yeah, let's put this on. Okay, so that's on there, like that. You can kind of see the screw sticking out right through there. And of course, actually to change a bit, thinking about it, you have to take off the dust bit. You have to take off the dust collector. I'll put a battery on. And you can see, turn it on here. 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 And you can see There's 2 work lights in there, help you see. It's on 6. A little bit of a grinding sound in there. That's not very good. Well, see, that was on 1 that having that sound, but I'm gonna throw on a bit to try this out real quick. To do that, I have to take off the dust shield, and there's a button here. You press down, and that will lock the collet in place without turning, and then of course you use this wrench here to unlock it. So this button here, you turn. Let me take off the battery. Safety first. That does not lock in place, so... Oh, there it is. Okay, nope. Yeah, you probably do have to keep holding it down, which not the most ergonomic here. All right, let's get a bit in. All right, for this I'm going to try this chamfer bit here. Go ahead and put it in. It's nice and loose. I took off the edge guide, as you can see. So this should cut about that deep. All right, I'm gonna put the disc guard back on. Put the battery back on. Color is slightly off on these blues. Not that's a big deal, but I'm going to try this on 4. This is just some Douglas firs, pretty soft. All right, so you can see that's where I came in. Kind of nice having the contrasting colors so you can see. Yeah, it's nice and smooth there. Pretty good there. That's just how the wood fibers are and with this fir. And then I got a little haywire taking it off here. That's probably more me than anything else. Yeah, it's kind of nice. I like that. All right, I just realized trying to take this apart that this comes completely off, and that makes pressing in this button to lock it in place significantly easier. Just thought I would let you guys know. If you do pick this up, you can just take all of that off, and there you go. That's much easier for switching out the bits now. Hope you enjoy this quick little unboxing and first try with this new Kobalt router. Let me know if you want to see anything else with this. And if you would like to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to the page at lowes.com in the description below where you can get one. And like I said, I had to order one. My local Lowe's don't have it. Your mileage may vary, but yeah. Good luck, stay safe, have fun. See you next time.